Good evening. This is a problem on volume of solids. The problem is a solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, and all these things are placed upright in an upright cylinder, circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Means the whole system, this the hemisphere and plus cone, that system touches the bottom of the cylinder. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter, height is 120 centimeter. तो इसमें सबसे जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी विल डू, make a clear diagram, neat diagram, and then only we will proceed. How is the diagram? The diagram is like this. There is a cone. There is a cone. Cone. Now below the cone, there is a hemisphere, solid hemisphere. And this whole system is in a right circular cylinder like this. Like this. So originally the cylinder was full of water. Now this system, cone plus hemispherical, that has been put in the water. So some water will come out of the cylinder. So we have to find out that water. So what we have to do here, we have to first know the volume of cylinder. Once we know the volume of cylinder, then we will find out the volume of the this system, means ki cone plus hemisphere, and if we subtract it, because the system will displace water equivalent to its own volume. So that will come out. So we have to find the two volumes and then only we can find the result. So first of all, what is the, here what has been given? This is, I think hole is 180 centimeter. Let's see. If the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and this is 180, this radius is 60 centimeter and 180 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Okay. Now coming to the this cone portion, what is there? Solid consisting of a right circular cone. Height is 120 centimeter and radius is same 60 centimeter. So this height is 120 centimeter and radius is same because radius of all three, and 120 centimeter, and a radius of hemisphere is also 60 centimeter. Okay, exactly same. So first of all, find the volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? We know volume of cylinder. This is pi r square h. So here pi is pi, r is 60, means 60 square into 180. How much it will be? Pi 60 square is 3600. into 180. Now just multiply 136 and 80. The 8 4 288. अच्छा तो 2428 and this is 36. If you add it 8 4 6 648. So this will become 648 and triple zero. Put three zeros, 1, 2, and 3 and 5. That much cubic unit. Cubic unit. This is the volume of water. Volume cylinder means this is the volume of water which was originally there in the cylinder. Now come to two more volumes we have to calculate. One is of cone. कोन का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? कोन का वॉल्यूम कितना होता है? 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो 1/3 तो है यहाँ पे, पाई इज ऑल्सो देयर, आर इज अगेन 60 सेंटीमीटर फॉर ऑल थ्री. सो 60 just 3600 60 square and h is 120 in this case. Okay, so if you this 3 will cancel with this one and this will become 40. Now just multiply 36 and 4. So 36 to the 72 and that to the 72 is 144. So what it will become? 144 and triple zero is there and y. This much cubic unit. This will be the volume of cone. Now in last we will find the volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere. How much it will be? That is, we know the volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, but it is only half of solid sphere. So this will become 2/3 into pi r cubed, that is equal to 2/3 pi multiplied by r is how much? 60. So 60 cube. Now 60 cube means 36 6 ja 216. So this will become 216 2/3 into 216 Now just try to 3. Okay, it will cut. This will cancel this by 3 7 ja, 3 2 ja, and triple zero. Now 72 2 ja, 144. This will also exactly equal volume into triple zero pi cubic unit. Which is the system of hemisphere and cone. Both have equal volume. Now add these last two. Last two means ki just volume of the system. Volume of the system. System is of cone plus hemisphere. This will become 144 plus 144, 288 into triple zero pi, that much cubic unit. So volume of water displaced. How much displaced will be displaced? Or okay, volume of water displaced is this 2,88,000. Volume of water remaining in the cylinder. This will be equal to how much was first volume? 648,000. 648 648,000 pi minus 288,000 pi. Now 648 and 288. Just subtracted 0, 14 minus 8, 6, and this 6 will 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 8, yes. This will become 360,000 and 22 by 7. Just try to do it. Actually, this much centimeter. I was writing cubic unit. Here, centimeter was the dimension, unit. So, centimeter cube. Now, you can do one more thing. 36 multiplied by 22. This will become 72 and 72. 297. So this will become 792,000 pi divided by 7. I have taken value of pi as approximately 22 by 7. Now, just divide it. 792 divided by 7. So 1 ja 7. This will go 9. Again 1. 2, 22. 7 3 ja. Means something I think 113,000 centimeter cube. So for changing to 4 5 792 130. Okay. You keep 36,000 360,000 pi. That is enough. Okay. Thank you very much.